Hello guys, Santosh here. So today we are going to see Oracle 11G XE database software installation. So at first Oracle 11G database software install करने के लिए सबसे पहले तो आपके पास Oracle database software होना चाहिए. Okay, if you don't have, don't worry. I will share the link in the description. So directly you can go there and you can download this database from there. Right, so now you must have this zip file first of all. So once you get this zip file, you need to extract it. So to extract this zip file, you know that you have to just right click there and there is option called as extract here. So once you click on extract here, what will happen? So you will get this kind of folder like disk one, you can see here, right? So now once you got this folder, that is disk one, you have to go inside this folder and there is one setup file, you can see. So you have to basically double click this setup file. Okay, so I will just double click here. So let's see what will happen. It will ask for the permission there, so you need to just say yes. Once you say yes, once you allow this to install, so the installation will start. So the installation is started. So obviously you have to wait. Okay, so now you will get this kind of window there. It will say that welcome to the installation wizard for the Oracle database, and the installation shell wizard will install Oracle database 11G Express Edition on your computer. To continue, click next. So once you get this window, you just have to click on next. After that, another window will come in front of you. So now this window, you have to accept the license, so just click there. I accept the terms in the license agreement, and once you do this, basically just click on next. So once you click on next, another window will get in front of you. It will open with another window. So now let's see what it says. It is saying choose the destination location, select the folder where setup will install files. So where you want to install this Oracle database, so it is just asking you the thing. Basically just if you want, you can just browse and you can choose any other drive and folders and all, but I think this is okay. C Oracle exe. So the folder is going to be create in C drive and the folder name will be Oracle exe. So I will just hit next button. So once you click on next, what will happen? You can just ignore this message. You can say yes. Okay, so once you click on yes, now the next window will open in front of you, something like this, and it is asking me to enter password. Okay, I can set the password for my Oracle database here. So you can keep your choice password, whatever it is. Enter password and confirm password. So basically I'm going to set password as tiger and confirm password. Right, so just click next. Once you click on next, this is very important window. It will open in front of you. So you can see here, this information is very important because maybe whenever you develop the applications, so in that process you might need this information there. So that's why it is very important. So either you can take the screenshot of it or you can just write down this information somewhere. So let's see what it is saying. It is actually saying that the Oracle database has installed in the C drive. The folder name is Oracle exe. Then basically you can see there. So right, okay, so the Oracle database listener is 1521. It is by default actually, and okay, Oracle database listener is 1521 and Oracle HTTP listener is basically 8080. So these are some basic things, right? So this is how, that's it. Then finally you just have to click on install button, and once you hit install button, it will start installation. So now it is saying installation wizard is installing Oracle database 11G Express Edition. Once you click on install button, it has start installation and now it is installing. So you will have to wait. Let's see how much time it takes. must wait until this installation will get finished. Obviously you have to wait, no option, right? This Oracle database software, basically we just use to, what we can say, create databases and tables and all. We can store our data inside the database, so at that point of time we will definitely need one software. So Oracle is always best, and you can create a number of tables there. Okay, and to create tables and basically to perform SQL operations, all SQL operations and all CRUD operations and all, you have to write queries, right? So to write queries, basically at first the very important thing is you must have the Oracle database software, and after that, what we can say, once you get the Oracle database software, there you can just write your queries, SQL queries, right? And you can run that SQL queries. So because inside this Oracle database there is SQL engine which will be responsible to basically compile and run your SQL queries. So this is very important. If you want to work with database, this software is needed, right? Oracle database. And once you got it, then you can just write and run your queries like anything. So in maximum, we know that web applications and all Oracle database will be used there. So it is important for the one who want to learn web development by using the various technologies, like maybe Java, .NET or anything else. So maybe Java, .NET, Python, any technology you can use, but at the back end, Oracle database will be most of the time it will be used. And when it comes to interviews also, obviously there will be the questions regarding to SQL and Oracle and all those things. So you must be ready, you must have some knowledge about it. So that's why I'm just showing you this installation. Obviously it is taking a little bit more time. Okay, we just have to wait, let it complete its installation. So it is taking more longer, guys. Actually it may take around 5 minutes to 10 minutes for installation, I think. So sometimes it may take 10 to 15 minutes also, but still you have to let it complete. Okay, so let it finish installation completely. So just wait. So you can see here now the installation has been finished and it is saying install wizard complete, setup has finished installing Oracle Database 11g Express Edition on your computer. So you can see finish button is there. So let's click on finish button. Okay, so generally you can access this Oracle database software via SQLPLUS tool. So how to access that SQLPLUS tool? Let's see. First you have to open command prompt. So you need to open command prompt first. So you know that, just type cmd command prompt. Once you click on command prompt, okay, it will come. You have to type here SQLPLUS now. So you can see SQLPLUS. Okay, so once you type SQLPLUS, just hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will ask you now enter username. Okay, you can see it is showing that basically, okay, so SQLPLUS release 11 point something, right? So you can just give the username system. So you have to enter here username and password, and you know that we have just set password as tiger while what we can say in the installation process. So I'm just typing here the username. Okay, so the username is system, and it will be system only. And what is the password? In my case it is tiger, so I'm going to type here tiger. So basically when you type there tiger, what will happen? It will not show you the password, but you just have to type there. You just have to type there. It will not show you the password. Okay, you need to hit the enter button. Once you hit enter button, you can see there, if it is showing like this SQL prompt, you can see this is the SQL prompt has been opened here, and you can see here it is saying connected to Oracle Database 11g Express Edition, right? So that's done. So now we are connected to the Oracle database and we got the SQL prompt. So you can just write your queries here, SQL queries here. So let's see what we will do. We will just create one basic table here. Okay, so I will write down here create table, some table name. So let's say I will just write here create table employee, and there is one column, for example EID space data type is number, some size I will give 20, comma, and the second column is ename. Then basically I will just type the data type as varchar or varchar2, whatever it is. And this column you can just specify the size. Then there is third column I want to specify here. Let's say, okay, whatever it is, city. So ename, and finally city varchar, and you can just specify some 20 here size, okay, semicolon. Okay, so we have done, you can see. So what we did, this is the SQL command or SQL query, you know that, create table. So I want to create a table in the Oracle database, and the table name will be employee. This is the table name, this is my choice table name, employee. You can just give your choice table name here, no issues, right? It is not needed the employee should be there. You can just give here student, employees, EMP, whatever it is, whatever the table you want to create, you can just create. Then I have specified some column names and data types here. So the table employee will be created, and basically you can see this is the first column. There it is actually EID column name. Then the data type for the first column will be number, means the first column employee ID, and all the values in that columns will be of the type number, okay, number type values only. Then the size, okay. Then second column will be ename, that is employee name, okay, and the data type for the second column is varchar, and you can see that it is the size is 30. Third column, basically third column name is city, and its data type is varchar, because it is going to be the string value, right? You know that basically employee name will be the string value, na? So that's why the data type is varchar. So city name will be in the string, right? So it will be a string value, city, Pune, Mumbai, right? So that is basically a string value. So that's why the data type you have to take here varchar, and the size is 20. And that's it. In this way the table will be created with how many columns you can see. So EID is the first column, ename is the second column, city is the third column. So with the 3 columns, table will be created with the name employee. Okay, so we'll just enter here. Once you enter, it is saying that table created, right? That's nice, table is created. So it means it is listening our SQL query. So the Oracle database, it is listening our SQL queries, it is executing our SQL queries. Table is created. Now I just want to see if the table is created. I just want to see my table. So how come I can see? So there is one query, describe table name. So DESC employee. What is table name? Employee, right? Okay. So DESC employee, and you can see it is showing me the table. So we are getting the description about the table which is there created. That is the table is there, table's name is employee, it is having one column EID, data type number. Then basically there is a second column ename, its data type is varchar2, and basically third column is city, its data type is varchar2. So in this way you can generally, what we can say, you can create tables. So now it is listening this query also, right? So now what next actually? Okay, so I think something more we should try, right? So we should insert some record. So let's do it. Okay, so you know that to insert a record into Oracle database, what is the query? Query is insert query, right? Insert into employee, right? Insert into employee values. Insert into employee values, and you have to specify the values here. So what is the first column? First column is employee ID. So I will give some random ID 1001, comma. Then second column employee name. So the name value is string value, varchar type of value. So you have to give that value inside the quotation mark. Okay. So in the quotes you have to give that value. So for example, some name we will give. So maybe some name is there, Sham. Some name is there, Sham. Comma. What is the city? So third column is city. I will just give the value Pune. That's it. I will just give here semicolon. Once we hit enter here, what will happen? You can see it is saying one row created. One row created means now the table is ready. First we have created the table, then we have inserted a record into the table. Okay, so now we have inserted a record into the table. Now the record must be there, right? So this record must be there in the table. So let's check whether this record has been inserted into table or not. So how to check the table, how to display the table? So there is another query in SQL, that is select star from table name employee, right? Select star from table name. Once you hit this query, okay, so Oracle database will run this query, and what it will do, it will just show the table employee. Okay, you run this query, it will show the employee table to you. So you enter, you can see what will happen. You can see the table is displayed. So you can see select star from employee, it is displaying the table. It is having one record, 1001 Sham from Pune. I hope you got it, 1001 Sham from Pune. So this is how basically the process of installation of Oracle database 11g. I hope you got it very clearly, and after that you can just in this way open the SQLPLUS. This is the tool to access the Oracle database, and finally you can just write your queries here. Once you got this SQL prompt, you can just type your queries and it will just run the queries. Oracle database will run that SQL queries. So I hope you like this video. So thank you guys, see you in the next video.